Ghana for propaganda baako a MPP for the name say Mampeyi John Dramani Mahama epe tetem. That is what they are moving around saying. Nancy our appointee judges edi omuko Supreme Court na to kurube ko fie so de. That is their anthem. They are singing it each and every day. Now, on my visa, then I ask myself, say, now do I appointee judges go Supreme Court? Now, or planning for third term, and that is the question right now. Now, canceling Yakun, any Kwesi Pratt, Asia or Metro TV, and a Kwesi Pratt, and then say, Mose, President Mahama per se, or run it third term, man. Prove to us Ghanaians how he wants to run the third term. I have what you need. Let's take our business.
Before we started this discussion, you played a clip which had the General Secretary of the party, who is a lawyer, in it, and other leaders of the party in the clip. What are they saying? That their main concern is that if the process, the constitutional process which has started, is allowed to conclude, President Mahama will declare his wish for a third term. We all heard it. You heard it.
I didn't hear it. And it's not the first time. They've said it.
Well, yesterday, I was on a platform with your chief spokesman, Mr. Anyagba, who actually stated very clearly that the NPP is not worried about the law or the constitution. And that what the NPP is doing is politics. And that if you follow the law, it is difficult to find fault with what the president is doing.
So why is Vincent Kwasi in court?
Hold on. Now, these are your own statements. I hope you won't run away from these statements too. You understand?
That I made
made by your general secretary, made by your chief communicator, made by your leaders. They are saying that, look, this is not a matter of law. This is not a matter of the constitution. It's about politics. And that somehow we believe, we fear, we've dreamt that President Mahama may declare a third term. I wish to run for a third term. Why are you wasting our time?
Okay, go ahead.
But why are you wasting our time?
Go ahead.
Why are you in court when you admit that this is not a legal matter? That this is not a constitutional matter? Why have you gone to court? To waste our time? To waste the time of the courts? What is this?
People have their opinion.
Who told you that President Mahama is running for a third term or intends to run for a third term? Where did you get that information?
For some time, I told you probably that I have been thinking about the possibility of it being done by him. Even before he won the presidency, you asked my colleagues on our platforms, because of Article 66.2, that I felt that the Supreme Court at the point might be called upon to interpret it. And if
on what basis? What is your basis for assuming, for dreaming that one day
it is not a dream? It's not a dream.
So give me the basis.
But you were in this country when we were supposed to go to IMF. We said that we were going to. President Mahama said that we are not going to IMF. The next day we went. But I'm saying that some people have argued that looking at Article 66.2, a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. Some people think that in my need interpretation, is it 2 terms consecutively or 2 terms apart as Mahama? So if they are asking, people are thinking about this constitutional provision, you don't say that they are dreaming. Now you are sitting here. You don't, please, with all due respect.
You asked us to demonstrate
indulge me.
Because you think, you imagine
as we sit here,
that
you don't know
President Mahama,
you don't know the mind of President Mahama.
That's the basis for asking us to go on a demonstration.
No. The demonstration was
please,
to save the judiciary. The demonstration was to save the judiciary. It was about the removal of the CJ. And the onslaught on the judiciary. That was the reason why he went on demonstration. But if other people express an opinion on his third term possibility, just indulge them. It could be or it could not be.
Where is that possibility coming from? That protected, where is it coming from?
But I've read
There's nothing in this constitution who says that Mahama is going for a third term. You cannot read this constitution and come to the conclusion that Mahama will go for a third term.
But I'm saying that
how did you read the constitution?
If I'm saying that people
how do you
are
read the
thinking
constitution?
that interpretation might give it a different twist. You might think it is black and white, but our justices might be thinking differently. So people's genuine worries, allow them. Focus on your disagreement with them.
So you see, the moment you see them saying all these things, you know, actually say they are afraid. NPP party, no, about they are just afraid. And Omunim said, I'm being honest with you. If it is indeed said President Mahama is running for third term in 2028, Omunim say they win, it will be hard. Say NDC is a different candidate, but they can win. But Omunyane easy to say Mahama and Kasai. Because your Mahama victory with there, in fact, I will say that is God. Because Obi Awako opposition, now got no position for 80 years as I've been winning election here. Shall I even see down? Trump will win a Trump would not feel for 4 years back. Mahama sat in the house for 8 years, close to 10 years in opposition, but I've been winning election. It tells you that Nyanko Pom Fana Bass when you're Juma. But not Ghana from one Juma, and no shed that fan and I don't know about we are back for 8 years just to teach us a lesson. And they taught us a bitter lesson. Emma Yanga say, no, say, we got Nanje, Mamisa Mahama and Bramu be appreciating. And even if President Mahama even decides, say, on Rania, Ghanaians are going to beg him. The kind of governance Mahama Bunus is here. So, of course, 2028 will get a lot of Ghanaians to hit the street of Ghana right to this date and campaign massively and tell the whole world that they need President Mahama as their president again. I'm being honest with you, it's going to happen. Mark to this date. I know, say, all this, you know, any Mahama team on this idea no on person obey sir. But Ghana for will like say Mahama Berani, but one year he will go and sit in the house. So that's why I make as I catch the NDC for no person be the president and say help Mahama to deliver. Say Mahama deliver, he will pave a way for you. But we started fighting for flag bearers. Say Mahama faili, one bona man deliver. Mudi Yesu kuraba you lose because Mahama faili, I also faili. Simple. So let's be straightforward in this.